Time to know the top stories of the day. I am Ace Perez and this is Newsbits Tonight. For the updates of the 2019 nCoV, the Department of Health revealed that the patients under investigation or PUI for the 2019 novel coronavirus in Davao region climbed to 5. For the details, here's Ralph Yemit.
Based on the novel coronavirus 2019 nCoV tracker of the Department of Health as of 12 p.m. on February 3, it showed that from 1, the PUI in the region has gone up to 5. The new PUIs are currently admitted in different hospitals in Davao region, while the first reported case of PUI was already discharged but is still being monitored while waiting for the test results to arrive from the Victorian Infectious Disease Reference Laboratory in Melbourne, Australia. During a press conference on Friday, Department of Health Davao Regional Director Annabel Yumang refused to identify the patients for their privacy. She also did not divulge what province or what hospital the PUI was brought to. Yumang said that a person will be classified as PUI if he or she has a travel history to Hubei province in China, has a lower respiratory illness such as cough and fever, and has exposure to a person who has been infected with nCoV. Those who did not meet this criteria will fall under the person under monitoring or PUM category. As of Monday, Department of Health has recorded a total of 80 PUIs across the country, including 67 who were admitted and 10 have been discharged. One person died due to complication, but he was not identified as 2019 nCoV positive, while 2 cases were confirmed positive of the virus. The first death outside China was also reported in the Philippines. Meanwhile, health authorities assured that Davao region is still virus-free. DOH has laid out stringent measures, especially in the airports, to prevent the virus to spread. A temporary travel ban is in place for non-Filipino travelers arriving from mainland China, Hong Kong, and Macau. To date, DOH said there is no specific treatment for any coronavirus, including the 2019 nCoV. However, many of the symptoms can be treated based on the patient's clinical conditions. Supportive care for infected persons can also be highly effective. Ralph Yemit, Newsbits Tonight.
The city government of Davao has expanded its current pork import ban to Davao del Sur and Davao Occidental following the reported death of around 1,000 pigs due to African Swine Fever or ASF in Don Marcelino town. For the details, here's Rob Gumba.
Davao City Mayor Sara Duterte Carpio said she included Davao del Sur after she received reports of suspected ASF in the province.
Dunay nakita na nag-positive sa Davao Occidental, so dili na ta nagapasugod og mga baboy na hayop gikan na sa Davao Occidental, and dunay isa ka case dinhi sa Davao del Sur nga unconfirmed case pa siya, and 2 to 3 days magawas ang result sa testing, and giapil na nato ang Davao del Sur sa pagban sa entry dinhi sa Davao City sa ilahang pig and pork products.
Davao City has initially implemented the ban of the entry of pork and pork products from Luzon during the ASF outbreak in September last year. Davao City has initially implemented the ban on the entry of pork and pork products from Luzon during the ASF outbreak in September last year. Duterte Carpio said the city has already assigned personnel in the Task Force Davao checkpoint, and vehicles are required to stop in the checkpoint amid the ASF scare. She urged the backyard hog farmers in the city to avoid feeding their swine with squeals. The Hog Farmers Association of Davao also supported the decision of the mayor to ban the entry of pork from Davao Occidental and Davao del Sur in the city. In a text message to Sunstar Davao, Hogfadi President Eduardo So said some of the lechoneros get their pigs from these areas. He also said there is still enough supply of meat in Davao City. He added that hog farmers were already informed by the city veterinary office to stop buying from infected provinces. On Saturday, February 1, the municipality of Don Marcelino and Davao Occidental implemented a 24/7 temporary lockdown in selling and buying of pigs after ASF killed the backyard hogs in 8 of their barangays. On February 2, the provincial government of Davao Occidental extended the lockdown to municipality of Malita, which also reported cases of ASF. Rob Gumba, Newsbits Tonight.
To check for more stories, visit our website www.sunstar.com.ph/Davao, subscribe on our YouTube channel, and follow our social media accounts on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. You can also grab a copy of Sunstar Davao at Davao Central Convenience Stores, 7-Eleven, and nearest news outlets. That's all you need to know for tonight. Have a good evening.